Imagine turning your living room into a cinematic masterpiece or the ultimate gaming zone. Sounds amazing, right? Meet the Epson Home Cinema LS11000, a projector that is not just a gadget but a portal to breathtaking visuals. Designed for movie buffs, gamers, and tech enthusiasts alike, this beast promises a blend of cutting edge tech and user friendly functionality. Let's dive deep into what makes this projector a must have.
Designed to transform virtually any room into the ultimate 4K DIY home theater experience, the Home Cinema LS11000 could be the best home cinema projector Epson has ever produced. Utilizing a laser source and brand new pixel shifting mechanism, the Home Cinema LS11000 with 4K PRO-UHD technology can display a picture on a screen up to 2,500 lumens for an amazing 4K HDR experience. It produces a resolution of 3840 by 2160, equivalent to 8.3 million pixels for incredible detail, and features an Epson ZX picture processor and 3-chip 3LCD technology to deliver outstanding color brightness and accuracy, faithfully displaying all your content the way it was meant to be seen. Engineered to suppress stray light, the LS11000 dramatically enhances picture contrast, exceeding 1,200,000 to 1 for a remarkable black performance. It's also perfect for serious gamers who want to experience 4K at a blazingly fast 120 frames per second and under 20 millisecond input lag for smooth action and dynamic responsiveness. The motorized lens offers all the flexibility you need, with a wide-range dual-axis lens shift, focus and zoom with multiple memories to streamline installation, and provide ease of use when switching aspect ratios to maximize the viewing experience. The Epson Home Cinema LS11000 Home Theater Projector. Projection perfected.
So, what are you waiting for? If you are ready to upgrade your home entertainment, the Epson LS11000 is waiting to light up your world. Literally. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.